Morning guys, I am down at Geoff's and we are going to try and get this Mark III Norton Commando 850 started. After years, the electric start is not working. I think it's kaput, but Geoff can do his magic on that. He jerry-rigged this fuel tank. He spent a lot of time cleaning up the carburetors, going through the electrics. The ignition was not working, so he's put this switch together and we are going to see if we can get it started. He's done all the work. I'm just the leg man, so to speak. This is a bike that I purchased a couple of years ago at the OVM swap meet. It's been offline for quite a while with a tarp over it, and then I just literally sold it to Geoff. I think it was 2 days ago. And it just takes 2 days for him to get a bike running.
Push it on. All right, here we go. Yeah, there's not much compression, is there? No. I saw some soot can out the back. Okay, I got a bit there.
Yeah.
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 Yeah, it hits the... There's one cylinder, I think, that's... One cylinder's better than the other.
Yeah, let me try again.
And we could also recheck for spark.
Sure.
But there's a lot of oil in the cylinders, so... Oh. You giving a little bit of gas?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Okay. Whew, it's a start. Okay. Take a break when you need it.
Bloody hell.
Yeah, kicks back.
Kicks back a bit.
Yeah.
Bit advanced maybe.
No?
Oh, bloody hell.
Boy, it does kick back hard, doesn't it?
Quite a bit.
Yeah. I never checked the timing, so I haven't done anything to the ignition. I suppose there's a chance, it's because it's got mechanical advance. We could, if you want, maybe we should check and make sure it's not stuck at full advance.
So we've retarded the ignition quite a bit there just to try and avoid that kickback. Tickle again. Fuel.
And then you can decide whether you want choke or not.
Maybe just a little bit of choke on with the ignition. on the pipe there. No problem. Fantastic.
Well, can't complain about that, can
Oh,
we?
no, not at all. That's marvellous.
Well, the other thing is that
Does it develop some compression?
it has compression now. Yeah, took my leg off, but started.
Well, that's as good as it gets.
Yeah.
Took less work to get this going than my orange Commando.
Yeah. Oh, I know, just out of curiosity.